Today we are going to demonstrate the use of thread profile gauges. PMC Lone Star offers thread profile gauges for both standard and proprietary thread forms. Thread profile gauges are a good tool to use for visual inspection of thread form and pitch, as well as identifying thread form of a product in the field. The use of a thread profile gauge can visually show thread defects that are a result of a chipped threading insert, steps on the flanks of the thread, elongated or stretched threads, flat crested threads, and fat or wide first threads. Place the thread profile gauge into the product thread. Shine a light on one side of the thread profile gauge. Look for excess light shining through that would indicate a problem with the thread form. When a profile gauge stands out too far or shows excess light, it may indicate lead error. The thread profile gauge should be swept around the circumference of the thread to feel for any abnormal resistance such as chips, burrs, steps, or debris remaining from the manufacturing process. Call today for a quote on PMC Lone Star thread profile gauges.